For manufacturing leaders out there, what if you could see every machine and asset in real time and gain insights anywhere from your factory floor? This July 16th, join us at the Smart Manufacturing Technology demo and discover how you could turn this vision into reality. 2025 is the year data and automation becomes your ultimate asset, giving you the edge in an unpredictable supply chain. Discover how leading manufacturers are transforming operations with AI, IoT, and real-time data. Learn why Gartner ranks sensors and wireless tech among 2025's top trends, and how nearly 30% of manufacturers are investing in AI and IoT for operational agility. See how accessible technologies are building blocks for intelligent, scalable ecosystems, powering supply chain efficiency for future readiness. Gain practical, hands-on insights you can use immediately on your production floor. Are you ready to see these results in action and learn how they work? Don't miss the Smart Manufacturing Technology demo, presented by the Maryland Manufacturing Extension Partnership, RFID Ready, and Mokxa Technologies. July 16th, 10 a.m. EST at Columbia, Maryland. Reserve your spot today.